Khuu, and I've got great designer solutions to make the most of what you already have in your home. Let's get started. So here's our kitchen. As you can see, there's great natural lighting in this space and a functional work triangle. But a common problem that most people have is that they live in a big, boring box of beige. Kitchen lacks style. It could definitely use more storage. Since the cabinets are going to be our biggest project today, I'm gonna get started on that first. I'm going to start by removing only the base cabinets and painting them black, leaving the upper cabinets as is for a cool contrast. Make sure you add a second layer of satin black to achieve a uniform color on all the cabinets. We'll be adding decorative hardware to the corner of our cabinet doors. These are basic brackets that you can get at any hardware store, but they add that designer's touch. And there you have it. One cabinet door down and a few more to go. I like to add the handles after everything else is in place. We'll be using these inexpensive placemats to add a graphic pattern to our backsplash. The easiest way to measure them out is to simply place it on the wall and make a mark with your finger. Now that I have my mark, I'm gonna get ready to cut. Since we're spraying indoors, make sure to line your countertops with paper, open the windows for ventilation, and don't forget to wear a mask. Don't worry about gluing these placemats to the wall. They peel off very easily with a spritz of warm water if you ever want to change them out. These placemats don't just give us a great pattern, but add some much needed texture to the walls, which will really make the space feel more unique. The next time you're at a thrift store, look for an old leather jacket. They make the perfect materials for your next repurposing project. I found this dish towel rack in the kitchen that I'll be repurposing along with the leather scraps to make a brand new wine rack. The first thing you need to do is lay out all your fabric and cut 2 identical pieces. I've already made the marks, so I know exactly where to sew my first seam. You'll then flip the leathers over and start your first seam. A lot of the newer machines have an embroidery setting. I'll be flipping the leather around and sewing a decorative trim to the exposed piece on the front panel. I'll be repurposing this old kitchen towel rack and sewing it on as our new hanging hardware. Now that I've painted our accent wall black to match our base cabinets, I'll be affixing these storage containers to the wall for function and variety. You can use any storage containers you find. Try wire baskets, file folders, small wooden boxes. Use whatever you like to fill in the accent wall. I like to add hanging shelves to make the most of vertical wall space, and a hook rack is a perfect storage solution for any kitchen. Bring in some greenery to make the kitchen feel lively and welcoming. Even a small kitchen like this can give you everything you need to make a gourmet meal or entertain guests.